Hello and welcome to How to Webmaster. In this video, I will show you how to find affiliate products in any niche step by step. So let's get started. Now go to Google and here in the search bar, type your niche name plus affiliates in double quotes. Let's say niche is coffee, type it in and search. Now you will get all the related results pertaining to coffee affiliate products and programs. Let's try with travel niche and we get all the results for travel affiliate programs. Next, we try the luxury niche. So this is how easy it is to search for affiliate programs for your niche. Let's go to the site we opened for coffee. Here on this page, you can see all the required affiliate information. Now let's go to the next site. Here also we can see all the earning details, cookie period, and how to join. Like it says, it is free, simple, and straightforward. Next is for luxury. On the next page, you will see similar affiliate information. So whatever your niche or product you are interested in, go to Google and type it here in the search bar with the keyword affiliates to search for affiliate programs. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. And until next time, happy marketing.